Hello guys, how are you? So hope you're doing well. So guess what? Today we are at Shanghai, and obviously we are leaving to Alpha ESS battery tour. So stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Alpha ESS manufacture factory looks like, what they do, what's their sort of setup they have. They do have one more setup in Sonzhou. We are going in Nantong city, in the Nantong a manufacturing plant, which is the bigger one in China. So it's going to be a very excited, and I'm going to cover each and everything, and then obviously try to cover as much as I can. It's going to be a very exciting. As you know, I've already made few videos for Alpha batteries, but now first and obviously use that product as well. But today we are going to that factory, so to visit, to check and talk to their R&D and their people. That's even more exciting. So stay tuned in this video. And so we are at Shanghai. It's going to be taking another 2.5 hours to reach there, and after a long journey it's going to be there. So let's go there and have a look how the Alpha ESS batteries make their batteries, and how they become our biggest market share in Australian market. So we reached our destination at Nantong factory. Yes, Alpha ESS was founded in 2012. As you know, it's a global energy storage company operating in over 100 countries, providing battery solution, residential, commercial and large scale applications. So first of all, we reached there, and then we all went all inside the reception area. So as soon as we entered the reception area of the factory, the first thing that stood out was how well organized and professional the entire setup was. From there, we walked through their showroom and we checked their wall pictures and everything. And you can say the display studio was amazing, like where almost all the Alpha batteries models were showcased, where we can see the wide range of products from the residential systems or a larger commercial solution as well, but all were neatly displayed. Also, this area gives you a clear idea of their product range and the different options available for various applications. I was with the group, so while everyone was enjoying their coffee, so I quickly gone through with all the studio room and checked all the products. After that, we were directed to the first floor, where we all can see the Alpha employees were working very focusedly. One thing that really stood out to me, the level of focus they had. Even though there was a larger group of around 90 to 100 people touring the facility, the employees remained completely concentrated, and they were not even staring to us. They were just working. Following this, like, Alpha team member who was leading our group gave us a detailed presentation. She walked us through the company journey, included their history, global presence and the key achievements. She also explained that various locations around the world, and highlighted how the company has grown into a stronger player in the energy storage industry.
Throughout these dashboards, we can see how many orders are in our hands, and we can see how many products we have been made. For example, you can see the top line here on total output units. This means how many products we have made. And also, you can see monthly output. It's like how many capacity we've been built and monthly. And also, there are other data. For example, the factory staff overview and staff information. So these screens showcase the real-time updates on.
She also shown us the battery cells and given us the overall production capabilities, structure of the Alpha batteries. We were given the insight into the production lines, including how many production line they operate, how much manufacturing process it has been structured. She further also explained year-on-year production growth and the scale at which they are operating. Honestly, the numbers were very impressive and clearly reflects the company's strong growth and capacity as well.
And these are the battery modules that we have been made. They are being used in different products. And
that's a battery module for the G3 10.1. So something that must be
10.1. Yeah, and we use lithium iron products that is more safety.
After that, we've been given a safety vest because of the actual factory tour, and the team has taken us to the factory floor. I will be showing this part in a fast forward while this is a journal footage and does not reveal any confidential process, because it's important to respect the privacy of such a large scale manufacturing facility. However, because I was there, being there in a person, we were able to closely observe the different stages of our overall process, how the workers was working, like which actually impresses me. The level of synchronization between the workers and team was truly impressive. Now Alpha team explained us each and every process of how the inverter and battery been manufactured, and they shown all entire process. It was absolutely fascinating to see that how and everything was run so smoothly at such a large scale. The opportunity to actually lift the one of the battery cell, it was a little bit heavy, but in my hand you can see that's the actual cell goes in the battery. We are in the industry, and being a solar professional, visiting factories like this gives me a confidence in recommending the product to my client as well. After that, again we all went downstairs and again went to the showroom. What I found interestingly, like this Nantong facility, like this factory is not just a factory, it actually Alpha's global headquarters in managing operational across more than 100 countries. So in the last we walked through with the again in the studio, and let me tell you, with the thousand of employees and automated production line, the scale of manufacturing here is truly impressive. They are not just making a battery, they are building a complete energy storage solution worldwide.
Factories. Here we are in Nantong, and also we have over 70 subsidiaries in this map, and actually we have many branches in European. It's not that just three. And also we have many different kinds of products, and I would like to divide them into two parts. The first is our firmware, and the other is the software. For the firmware product, we have portable and
So in the end, Alpha had a little presentation as well, where they talk about again all the achievement, and also talk about their upcoming products which going to come in the future as well, with the bigger inverter and bigger batteries as well. But overall, this visit gave me a much deeper understanding of how battery systems are built at scale. And one thing was clear: the future is not just a solar; it's a smart energy storage. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next visit. And if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. I have already made few videos for Alpha product as well, so if you are keen to check Alpha products reviews and features and benefit, you can go through with my videos and you can have a look as well. Thank you so much.